The Department of Meteorology has issued a weather advisory for the southern Bay of Bengal, effective for the next 24 hours, warning of heavy rain, strong winds and rough seas. The advisory notes that a low-pressure area has formed over the southeastern Bay of Bengal today.
According to our forecast, the peak period was expected on the 10th and 11th. We issued 4 advisories and warnings related to this event. Following this, our forecasts and atmospheric observations indicated the intensity of the rain would decrease around the 12th and the 13th. However, we observed increased rainfall yesterday and today, prompting us to update our forecast to conclude the possibility of rainfall exceeding 100 millimeters. We issued a special advisory at 5:30 am today. This situation was not reflected in our earlier data, but we have updated our forecasts accordingly. We expect significant rainfall tonight and tomorrow.
What is causing this situation?
This situation has developed due to a low-pressure system over the Bay of Bengal. Our forecasts indicate that the intensity of the rain will decrease significantly around the 16th and 17th of this month. Until then, we expect continued rainfall, while there may be a slight reduction in rainfall tomorrow and day after. A significant reduction is expected only around on the 16th and 17th.
The Department of Irrigation has warned that the water levels of the Ging and Nilwala rivers are rising due to the ongoing heavy rainfall. Engineer Sakura Dilthara from the Hydrology Unit stated that the flood risk for the Kalu and Kalani rivers and the Attanagalu Oya remain high. Today, Colombo experienced significant disruptions due to heavy rainfall. This afternoon, Armour Street was submerged. The Avisavela Colombo 143 bus route was flooded from Ambatale to Balivita, severely impacting transportation.
මේකට පළවෙනිම හේතුව තමයි අඹතලේ වෝටර් බෝඩ් එකේ කොම්පාගාරේ ගාව අපිට දාලා තියෙන දොර කටවල් පොඩි අපේ වතුර බහින්නේ නැහැ. දැන් මේ පැය දෙකෙන් තුනෙන් බහින වතුර දැන් අතර දවස් දෙකක් වෙනවා.
Currently, steps are being taken to release water from the Ambatale pumping station to the Kalani River. Colonava Divisional Secretary Priyanath Pereira said that a pump failure occurred at the Ambatale water purification plant during the recent flood situation.
අඹතලේ පොම්පාගාරයේ පොම්ප වල පුංචි බිඳවැටීමක් සිද්ධ වෙලා තියෙනවා. ඒ නිසා මේ වන
There has been a minor pump failure at the Ambatale pumping station. As a result, the station is currently operating at a reduced capacity. We kindly request the residents of Ambatale to remain calm. As government officials, we are committed to resolving this issue as quickly as possible.
Kalani Mulla area has been underwater for approximately 3 days. Gamage Vatta in Gotatua remains flooded. Bele Vatta in Vallampatiya has also been submerged for about 3 days. In some areas, the water levels are gradually receding. Sivalivatta in Hangvalla has also been flooded for about 3 days, affecting 60 families. These families are currently sheltered at the Hangvalla Maya Dunna Mahavidyalaya. The Kotugoda Meat Shop Junction area on the Miniwangoda-Kotugoda 265 bus route was submerged due to the overflow of the Ma Oya. Several other roads and areas in Kotugoda are also flooded. Movement along the Gampahajala main road was disrupted at the Akaravita area due to the flooding. The Kirindivita, Ambanvita and Makilangamo areas and their surrounding roads have been underwater for about 2 days. As of this morning, the water levels in the Gampaha town have been gradually receding.
මේක දැන් අවුරුද්දකට මේ ගිය මේ මාසේ ආවේ. දැන් ආයෙ ආවා.
මේක දිගටම වෙනවා කියන්නේ කොහේ හරි වැරද්දක්. කොහේ හරි ගොඩ කිරීම මේ ඔක්කොම මේකට බලපාලා තියෙන හයිවේ එක විතරක් නෙමෙයි.
දැන් මේ අවුරුද්ද මේ දෙවෙනි පාර. හයිවේ එක අතර ඉවර කරන්න ඕනේ නැත්නම් පාර අයින් කරන්න ඕනේ. යට උනා විතරයි. ලක්ෂ ගානක බඩුවක් ගියා. කඳුරු අපේ
19 shelters are currently being operated. 1,569 people are housed in those shelters. We began providing cooked meals to those at the shelters and families who are residing in areas that are flooded.